Yes, naturals and relaxed naturals, you can run your fingers through kinky, curly hair with ease. What you are seeing, who you are seeing, is Andrea. Andrea's natural hair journey here at AhavaFelicidad Hair and Body with the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Mousse that I'm using for her Orb Dry. That's the name for our over-the-head dryer here. That will be on less than 55 degrees for one of our techniques in drying hair on cool air for styling. This is after she has had humility hair growth, sparking hair growth, a co-wash, black soap cleanser, then a co-wash with the Decadence here I am, Indulgence. She loves that. We all love that. With Decadence Indulgence hair sugar and her classic deep. She's about to now go under the orb, and every time a client goes under the orb or a customer wants to sit under there, we'll donate $1 to the ASPCA.